Hello to you all. Yesterday I made something in Christmas style, and today I thought something in autumn style. Why not? I cut out some pieces from my printables, the beautiful film strips, and the leaves in beautiful bright colors. You can cut them on the edges, or you can cut them also without the white edges. And I have those little beautiful gnomes and mushrooms. Maybe I'm going to use the tickets, I don't know yet. And then I have the tickets and the banners, and from that I use the banner. And this weekend only, when you place an order of 2 printables, you receive this Halloween printable completely for free, and I send it by a message in the coffee shop. So now let's start to make I hope a nice page. I have this stencil with the beautiful autumn leaves, and let me see, I have a kind of red, green, cappuccino, and maybe a darker one, clay brown for the leaves. I want to mix everything together, the colors. So I just go a little in here, a little in there. And then later on I add another color, so that you have really like the autumn leaves, not in one color but in more colors. I don't have to do that too much in the middle, but because I'm going to glue the paper there, but I think I'm still doing it. This is the green, and then we take the cappuccino color for the warmth in it. Let me see, is it already something? Ah, look at this. I don't know which from which company this stencil is, so don't ask me. I think when you Google, you will find something. Stencil leaves, something like that. Mask leaves. Oh, this red one is very red. Put a little bit of green on it. Oh. And red and green makes brown. So, especially this one here. Ah, look at it. And now I have to make something here. So, and I do this in the same way. And also the cappuccino. Yes, that looks very nice. Okay, what do we do next? first so I have those film strips. It's a kind of base. And then I want to glue the beautiful gnome in the middle, but surrounding it by the leaves. So it makes it more a kind of expression. But first I'm going to stamp a little in the background. This is a text stamp with small letters. Maybe a little bit here. I think that is enough. Okay. And I kept the background white, because the leaves I cut them out with the white surrounding it. Where is maybe I do 2 strips instead of 1 or 3, because I like the leaves that much. Let me see. Shall I do? Yes, I do that. I do 2 strips. I glue them down. And the other one also. And then first I will do, I think, make the edge a little bit and you can use this as a card or simply as a nice mixed media or a journal project. Okay, the leaves. Because I use a glue stick, I can easily put it under the image. And I thought this one here. The green one. And then the other one kind of down under here. But then I can cut off a piece. Oh, he looks so nice. The gnome. The gnome in the woods with the mushroom. Yeah. Place the leaf here. You still see it? Yes, you can. And never stop exploring is a nice text, I think. I also could have lift the gnome something, put a little piece of cardstock under it. When you like send it as a card, I think that would be more nice. Okie dokie, am I happy? I am not completely happy yet, because there is black in it. I think it is nice to make a black border. And then, yeah, in a few minutes, you have a nice project. I could do some white splatters maybe, but I think I like it this way. It is a little bit clean, simple, and yeah, I hope I could give you some inspiration. I will link the articles in the description box. And yeah, wish you a nice weekend. And remember, a freebie in my little coffee shop, Ko-fi. I said coffee, Ko-fi. When you order 2 printables, you get 1 for free, the Halloween collection. Okay, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.